Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install APK files on your MetaQuest headset. Here we go. Alright, so first you're going to search for this app called Mobile VR Station. And yeah, once you search it up, go to this, once you find it, and make sure to download it if you haven't already, which for me, I already did, so it's downloaded, so yeah. For me, it says start because I already have it. Yeah, get it, because this is important, so you can start doing it. And then next, in another tab in the web browser, you're going to want to go to this website called sidequest, right here, right there. I'm going to leave it right there for you guys to pause the video, or to just type it in. So after you went there, do not go here because I messed up. That's not where you're supposed to go. So yeah, search sidequest. And it should be right here. You're going to want to go to it. And yeah. And yeah, how many times am I saying and? So you're going to want to go right here where it says download APK directly, which that is important. Go there, and okay, let's go. But yeah, over here, you're gonna obviously gonna be here. And yeah, always download the newest version so it can work correctly and stuff. I don't know what this is, but make sure you do this one. The one that says app release.apk. Yeah, you're gonna choose this, so press on it, and it should start downloading right there. And then you gotta start waiting for it to download. I don't know why it's taking so long. So basically, when it's done downloading, you're gonna wanna go to open Mobile VR Station, either through this or here, but choose whichever way you want to open Mobile VR Station. Yeah. Okay, so once you open in, you gotta find this. Then, boom. You're right here. And then here, you can find, here's where it can start. Like, yeah. Yeah, I think all folders. I don't remember. And then alright, there it is. And then once you've done that, you're gonna be here, and this is where you can start doing the APK file. So yeah, now go into the downloads, which that's where it should always be. And also ignore this. This was from like an old video that I made. Well, it's not really that old, but yeah. And then choose this, and then press those little arrows going out right there that I'm pointing at. Press it, and yeah. Ignore this. It just thinks it's dangerous because it doesn't recognize it that much. But it's completely fine. Yeah, you're going to want to press continue. I already have it, so the reason why it says update. Yeah, this works with any APK. Just be careful of which one you download, because like some of them can be bad. But not all of them, as long as you trust them. Like SideQuest, which is like really good if you want some really cool games that you can't get on the MetaQuest store. And yeah, I'm going to press update even though I already have it. Yeah, it's going to start installing. Then you just got to wait for it. Oh, what the? Okay, now after it's done, I don't recommend you pressing open. Usually just press done. So yeah, I will probably put some like really good APKs that I recommend you get in the description, which is like CX File Explorer, which is really important if you're like trying to do some stuff, which for me, I mostly use it for videos, as you can see right here. Yeah, you're gonna want to go to library. Now it could be here, or like, I think somewhere right here, I don't really know, but usually it should be here. Yeah, this is where you can find it, and then here it is, sidequest, open, and here it is. Yeah, you can find a lot of cool stuff. You can even find some custom homes. It's like really cool. It even has Minecraft on there and Mario. So yeah, I hope this helped. Yeah, I guess that's going to be the end of this video. And bye!